Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to clear Gmail search history. So let's get started. So if you want to clear your Gmail search history, then what you can do is just simply open up your Gmail application. After opening up your Gmail application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the search bar which is on the top, and after tapping on that you can check all your search history. And now I want to delete your search history, so what you can do is just simply come back and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left. After tapping on that, just scroll down and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just tap on general settings, and inside your general settings, in the top right corner of your screen, you will find this three dotted icon. Tap on it, and from here you can clear your search history. So just tap on clear search history and then tap on clear. And after clearing your search history from there, now if you just tap on the search bar which is on the top, you can find your search has been successfully cleared. So that's it guys, this is how to clear Gmail search history. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.